In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Elementor. So in order to actually link a button to a section in Elementor, first you need to have Elementor hosted by a particular website. So in this, we'll utilize Elementor with our WordPress. So head over and then install or get WordPress. Just log into your account, or if you do not have one yet, click onto this Get Started option. Now you should be able to install the plugin of Elementor through that if you have a business plan available or a purchase onto your actual website. So I have purchased it, and this is my actual page that I have created with Elementor. Now I want to link a button to a section. For example, right here, let's go over to our widget, and in here just scroll down until you can find the button option. So under this testimonials, let's head over and then input that button under it. Here it is right here. Now in here, it will ask for a link that you want. So in here, you can just input the URL slug right here. But since we want to add it to a section, what we can do is we can actually add or get some link options for this part. Once we have inserted this, what we can do is we can locate the actual section that we want to actually add to this. I have in here this container, so just head over and click onto this particular container that we have and make sure to edit it. Now into this, what we can do is we can actually get its CSS ID. Just head over and click onto this particular part, click on it right here, and click onto this edit container option. Go over to advanced and scroll down, and here you can see the CSS ID. So this will be the custom ID for this. So for example, let's name this maps1, and then this shall be saved. Now let's head over right here to our button, and then onto the link, let's input right here maps1, and then save it right here. What this will do is this will link this particular tab into the section right here. So from there, just head over and click on publish in order to publish it. Now let's try to preview it. So as you can see, if you click onto this particular button, this should be redirected to this particular section of the page. So that's how you link a button to a section in Elementor. I hope this video helped you out.